celebrations are underway with full traditions in Dharamshala for the 90th birthday of the Dalai Lama. While the birthday falls today, that is July 6th, the festivities began on June 30th. This special birthday is being celebrated with religious prayers and cultural programs. At 90 years of age, the Dalai Lama braces for the final showdown with Beijing. For what exactly, you may ask? His reincarnation. An issue that has not just impacted the community, but has arguably also impacted relations with India and China. My colleague Gauri Dwivedi joins us on the telecast from Dharamshala. Gauri, firstly tell us, what are his birthday celebrations looking like in Dharamshala?
Okay, yes, I am at the Dalai Lama temple where the celebrations will kick in about an hour from now. And I'm going to turn around and for our viewers to also see the scale at which these entire celebrations are taking place. It's pouring here in Dharamshala, but that hasn't come in the way of the spirit of so many followers of Dalai Lama, His Holiness, who will be here to give out a message to his followers, to his believers in about an hour's time from now. As you can see, there are religious festivities, there are traditional festivities that will take place, and that will be followed by the message that will come in from His Holiness. This comes in after he has made it clear that there will be a reincarnation, there will be a 15th Dalai Lama that will take place. So the process of that will be followed by the trust, and China will have absolutely no role to play in that whatsoever. In the backdrop of that very significant announcement, today's program and the messaging and the announcement that will come in from His Holiness will be extremely significant to watch out for. His message will be to his believers, to his followers, and that includes the Tibetan diaspora around the world. A large part of that is here in India, in Dharamshala. This is where His Holiness has been running his government in exile since 1960 till 2011, when he abdicated the political power to the political representatives. So it's not just the Tibetan diaspora here, but around the world who will be waiting for His Holiness's message that will come in just days after he said that there will be a 15th Dalai Lama. The tradition, the 600-year-old tradition and institution of Dalai Lama will continue. So all eyes on the message that he will give, not just to his followers, not just to the diaspora, but to China across the Himalayas.